Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial, I'm finally going to show you how to make this origami pop-up card with a bird beak. Yep. And this is what I showed in that short right here. And as you can see, it's a really nice pop-up card, and it has a bird beak in it. And yeah, and this is actually related to the one I taught a couple years ago, except that on this one, the bird beak is a lot bigger, which I really like. And the card is not quite as long, which I also like. And it's even cooler because it's got a pocket right here. You can actually hold stuff inside. So let's see. Guess I'll use my memory card here. See, you can put stuff in the pockets like that to hold it. But yeah, that's pretty cool like that. So I'm going to show you how to do this, and then I'm going to show you how to turn it into a house pop-up card. See? And I didn't see I tried the color change the beak here with reverse folds, but it didn't turn out very good, so I'm just going to keep it like this. So I don't think I'll show you how to do that, but I will show you how to make the house part too. And alright, so let's first learn how to make the bird beak pop-up card, and then I'll show you how to do this. So here we go. Okay, so let's begin with the white side up, and let's fold in half. I'm using a 6" square of kami, but you could use a sheet of printer paper cut square, or pretty much any square for this model. Unfold, and fold in half this way. Okay, unfold, and now we're going to blitz, so fold the four corners to the middle. Okay, just like this, and now turn over and fold this edge to the middle, letting the flap underneath swing out. Okay, and lift this flap up and flatten like this, crease sharply. Alright, like that. And do that on this side too. So fold this edge to here, letting the flap underneath swing out. Okay? And then I like to lift the flap up and crease right here. So that way I don't make a crease right here. Well, let me get a sip of my coffee real quick. There, sorry about that. Okay, and now we're going to make a watermelon base out of this square. So let's make the pre-creases first. So take this point and fold it to here. Here, I guess I'll zoom in a little bit. There you go. Alright, and just crease this part like this. Okay, unfold and repeat on this side. Take this corner and fold it to here. And then crease right in here. Like that. And undo that and repeat on this side also. So fold this corner to the bottom. And we're making this fold like that. And repeat on this side. I'm just making the pre-creases so it'll make it easier to collapse. Alright, now make the watermelon base. Bring the quarters down, open here, and make it like that. Alright, so here we have the card taking shape, and this is the actual card here. See, this is actually the base here. See? This is what it looks like right here. And it's actually pretty cool just like that. But no, I'm sure you guys want to make it into a bird beak. So, if you want to make it into a bird beak, then here's what we're going to do. So we're going to reverse fold here, 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 and here. So to make it easier, let's make a pre-crease. So let's just fold this over and take this edge, or rather these two raw edges, and fold them to that crease. Like this. You don't have to make the pre-creases if you don't want to, but I'm going to. It makes it more exact and cleaner. See? Just like this. And repeat on this side. So make sure this corner is touching the bottom. And then just move this edge over temporarily. Just get it out of the way. And take this edge and fold it to this crease. And crease that nice and sharp. Undo that. And bring it back like this. And now we're going to do that on the other two, so in the other direction. So here we go. So bring that point down, fold this over, and take this edge and fold it to the crease. Crease sharply, unfold, bring this back, and repeat on this side too. Alright, unfold, and now the pre-creases are done. And now, let's go ahead and start reverse folding. So here we go. So I'll start right here. So just reverse fold on the existing creases, like that. Okay, and do it up here too. Alright, and there's one side done, and this side. Alright, just like that. So there it is. That's the bird beak. Oh, and also, if you want to make the pockets that hold the stuff, let's take this corner and fold it to the bottom, like this. Or as far as it goes. Alright, crease that sharply, and unfold. And I recommend folding this point to here. You'll see why. Okay, and then now take this flap and fold it inside. I just folded that flap to the crease because it'll make the flap shorter and easier to tuck inside. Okay, and repeat on this side. Here we go. So fold this down like this. And to make the tucking easier, fold the corner to the crease. And then now, tuck it inside. Alright, and there is the pockets. So you can put your memory cards or something in there, like that. Or it can be like a wallet too, probably. And yeah, so there it is. And also, this is what I like to do. I like to fold this edge up just a tad, like maybe a couple millimeters or so. So that way it'll keep all this stuff closed. And we're going to do it right here too. See, it closes those flaps off, so nothing opens up when you open it. This is optional. Alright, and there is your bird beak pop-up card. See? So here's the card, and you just open it like this, and there's your bird beak. Yep, and like I said in the beginning of the video, it's related to this one, except I think this one's more cleaner looking, and it's a lot nicer, I think, and it's a lot cooler. And the bird beak is a lot bigger, which is nice. And yeah. Oh, and I almost forgot. If you want to turn it into a house pop-up card like this, then here's what I'm gonna do. I kind of like it like this better, but okay, if you want to make it into a house, then here's what I'm gonna do. So we're gonna reverse fold right here. And this point is gonna go in here, like this. See? Just like this. So it goes inside of the beak. And make sure you're reverse folding on the point. And the folds should hit this point of the purple and on this side too. So it should be exact, like that. Just make it exact. There's one side, and repeat here. So when you reverse fold it, make sure that this point goes inside of the center of the beak. Like this. And you're going on the point like this, and the folds should hit the purple, or whatever color you're using. Alright, and there's your house. See? And maybe if you want, you can decorate it. No, I'm not going to waste my time doing this. You can draw a door on there if you want, or windows. But yeah, and it's still a pop-up card. See? So yeah, there it is. Oh, and also, if you notice on this one, I kind of made a little crimp fold to curve the beak slightly a little bit, and right here too. But I'm not going to do that because that's kind of ugly looking and it's not very clean. So you can figure that out if you want. Just make a little crimp on both sides. I'll leave that for you to figure out how to do. So yeah. And also, I'm not going to show how to color change it, because you can probably figure this out by looking at it. Just if you want to color change it, just reverse fold here, 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 and here. See? Like this, but I'm not going to do that because I like it the way it is. So there it is. Alright, well, hope you guys were able to make this and find it interesting. And make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.